Hi everyone, I am back with two small My Favorite Things hauls. I'm combining it into one video. I received one yesterday and one today, and I'll have a follow-on video with another company haul shortly. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. This one arrived, like I said, yesterday. And let's see what I got. It's not a whole lot. I got two Deluxe White Mini Slimline envelope packs. I believe there are 10 in there. And I do apologize. I don't have my receipt here, so I'm not sure how much these were. But you can go check that out. This was a free gift. These are gift card pockets to put in cards or anything. Or I guess you could even use them as shaker windows or something. And I don't know, it looks like there's about 10 of those as well. I do apologize if there's glare. They're just like rectangular little pockets. I love their packaging. It says commencing happy dance. Everything in this one was in a, I think it came FedEx. Yeah, it came in a FedEx package, like a cardboard envelope, and it was wrapped in this beautiful pink, bright pink tissue paper, which I love. That's like my second favorite color after blue, I think, is that sort of a magenta kind of pink, like a purpley pink. Also, I already ate this, but there was a Jelly Belly in it. It was an orange one. It was very good. I just ate it. Well, we'll do those last. I got this. This was on, I think this was on sale. It's just called Coffee Mug Die. I thought I could just use that with any kind of designer paper. It's very simple, but I like the size of it because it's a little bigger than some of the ones I have, and I like the shape of it. So I did get that. I don't know if there was a stamp set originally with it or not, but I didn't get it. And I know, well, this is called Connected. It's little connected half-inch alphabets, and I'm probably going to leave them connected and just die cut them out of whatever colors I want. And then there are also, if I think when you die cut them though, they're separate, but they're connected together. I guess they call them that because they are connected, and others are individual. I'm not planning on taking these dies apart, but there is a matching stamp set called Connected. I thought they were a cute size, and you could make any kind of sentiments or names you want on your cards or other projects. Some of them are, I like big ones too, but I thought these were a nice size. Now, that said, I am terrible at putting things on straight, so we'll see. Worst comes to worst, I could make shaker bits out of alphabets, right? But this way, you can die cut the background and in like white or any color you want, and then stamp on it with a totally different color if you wanted to. So I got those, and they were reasonably priced as well. I'll try and find my receipt in a moment. Sorry about the crinkling. I got one paper pad. I'm sure this was on sale also. This is called Floor to Ceiling. 24 sheets, 2 each of 12 designs, and I'm trying to peel it off, sorry. How I usually do these is I just try and peel them back if I can get them. There we go. They're usually on the side though. Anyway, I thought these would be good neutrals. For doing house or shop kind of thing. I usually tuck it on the back, but that one piece ripped off. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Made in the USA. The cover is very thin. I'm surprised by that. These are single-sided. So we have gray and white, 2 of each. Floor. So this would be floor to ceiling. This would be like your wallpaper. Just a regular kind of brick. And I see the papers come loose. A line, that almost looks like it would be good for a journal, right? Like lined paper. So basically, it's all these patterns here, and you get 2 of each. I'm not going to do any more opening because they're coming out of the pad. But we saw those, and then there's this one. Actually, I want to see that one. Sort of orange and red and pale peach bricks in different color with sort of a blue-gray, what do you call that stuff? Mortar. Another wallpaper kind of look. I like that one. That's pretty, actually. More journal line, but this one's in like a green, like a sage green. And that's a pretty brick pattern. I like that one a lot. Regular lined paper. I don't know where that's coming from. Floor, or maybe that's supposed to be, or to ceiling. I don't think that's wall. That almost looks like a crossword puzzle to my eyes, only a little elongated. More wallpaper. Okay, so that's it. So 12 patterns, 2 of each. And then I did get this. I mentioned this in a previous video that I accidentally ordered an extra milk chocolate Stampin' like a spot, an ink spot, not Stampin' Spot. My favorite thing is premium dye ink, milk chocolate. I knew I needed either the cardstock or the ink. Well, I just recently used the other ink, so I know I have it. So this is an extra, and but I did get their craft premium dye ink as well, which is closer to a craft kind of color, where this is definitely more like a milk chocolate. And I'm sure that the oh, that's the seal, that the paper arrived today. So let me pull that out. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I found my receipt. So the little ink cubes were $2.99 each. The floor to ceiling paper pad was $6.99, so I don't think that was on sale. The coffee mug dye, I'm not sure any of this was on sale. I can't remember. This was $9.99, I think, yes. And the connected dynamics were $12.99, and the stamp set was $9. I didn't think that was bad for alphabet stamp and dies, like $22 total. And then the slimline envelopes were $15.98 for 2 packages, so $8 a pack for 10. That's a little high, but I like these. They're a deluxe white. They're heavier than you know, just the regular little envelopes. Oh, and these were free. Free was $60 purchase. So that was that order. And then this one, I got Say Anything stencil. It's like bubble stencil. So I thought that would be cool. I could stamp, I could color these any color I wanted on any card base or card mat, and then stamp a sentiment in them in a coordinating or different color ink. So yeah, I got that stencil, and then that was $4.95. And I seem to be into basket weave. You'll see in another different haul that I got a I got something else in basket weave, but it's an embossing folder. Anyway, this was $6.29. It's just a single stencil. It's not layered. So, but I think that would be pretty as a background. I got the tall. I don't have the tall. I didn't have the tall. I had the regular 5 by 7-ish size storage pockets. I usually get them off, excuse me, off Amazon, but they had these, and I wanted them, so I got them. And then I got my milk chocolate cardstock. So this is 100 pound, 10 sheets, and 8.5 by 11. And it matches the ink. I do like that about My Favorite Things, and other companies now are starting to do that too. They have cardstock to coordinate with their dye-based inks. And of course, I got another Jelly Belly, and it's also orange, which is nice because I really like that one. And that is it. I did pay shipping on this order and tax, but I had to tell you my order was from March 6th, and today is March 9th, and I got it that fast. And the other one, same thing. The order was March 4th, and I got it March 8th, so 4 days. Now I did have a discount on that first order of $5.99. I don't remember why. Might have been a special they were having. I'm not sure. And they always have, you can get free shipping if you order X amount, but on that second order, I really didn't need anything else from their website. So that's it. I now have an open milk chocolate ink, 2 packages, so 20 sheets of the cardstock, which is 100 pounds, so I'm sure I'll love that. I'm sorry for the glare. A craft cube ink, which I think is probably, I think it's going to be a little bit darker than crumb cake, more like a real craft color, so we'll try that sometime soon. These I'll put with my storage stuff. I'm collecting stencils apparently lately, and I plan on making more mini slimline soon, so I needed envelopes, and then these dies, which I know I'll get good use out of all of these. I have some other alphabet dies, and I don't know if I've ever used them. So that's on my have to do it in the next year. Alright, so I'm going to come back with another separate haul from a different company, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to put all this stuff in the wonderful box they sent today. I guess when you order cardstock, they send it in this box. This box contains a whole lot of happy, and it was wrapped in a plastic outer shipping envelope thing. All right, take care. Have a great day. Hugs, love, and peace.